Pixel 6a offered great performance, camera quality, battery life and software updates for low price. So what we can expect from the Pixel 7a? Well, based on the rumors and leaks, here are 4 reasons why you might want to buy the Pixel 7. Hello and welcome to my channel where I talk about the latest gadget and tech news. In this video, I am going to tell you about the Google Pixel 7a, a budget phone that is rumored to launch soon. Is it worth buying or escaping? Let's find out. The Pixel 7 is expected to be successor of a Pixel 6a, which was one of the best cheap phones of last year. Or Tensor G2 chip. The Pixel 7a could have the same processor as Pixel 7, which has a special tensor processing unit that enhances various features on the phone using machine learning. A better camera. The Pixel 7a could have better camera with 50 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, as well as some of the camera features that the Pixel 7 has, such as magic eraser, face unblur and motion mode. A bigger battery. The Pixel 7a could have bigger battery with a 5000 mAh capacity, as well as wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities. A low price. The Pixel 7a could cost as low as $349 or even $299, $349 US or even $299 USD, which could make it one of the cheapest phone with such high ending features. So these are some of reasons why you might want to buy the Pixel 7a. But what about the reasons why you might want to skip it? Well, here are 3 reasons why you might not want to buy the Pixel 7a. A plastic design. The Pixel 7a could have plastic body and thick bezels around its screen, which could make it feel cheap, look outdated compared to the other phones with metal glass or glass designs and edge-to-edge displays. A lack of water resistance. The Pixel 7a could have no water resistance rating, which means it could get damaged if it gets wet or submerged in water. A lack of availability. The Pixel 7a could be hard to find or buy in some regions or country, as Google has a history of limiting the availability of its budget phones to certain markets or carriers. So these are some of the reasons why you might not want to buy the Pixel 7a. Of course, these are all based on rumors and leaks, so we will have to wait for Google to officially announce the phone and confirm its features and price. That's for this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.